Let me show you what the weather actually looks like on the Garmin Instinct 3. So the weather system actually is like really decent on this watch finally. So if we click one of these menu or ABC button, we can go to our glances, and over here one of them will be weather. So let's check this on first. So we can enter with the GPS, and you can see your current like weather conditions outside. So it's like foggy, I guess, outside for me. Also current temperature, not sure what that is. Feels like temperature, also like minimum maximum temperature for that day, and also your wind like direction. And here also we can see our hourly date as well. As you can see, if I press this GPS button, it also show me basically for the next hours as well. If we go down, we can also see for the next 3 days, I guess. So if I try to press GPS, nothing really happens. So yeah, it would be cool if you could see it further, but can't really see that for some reason. Then again, if we go back, as you see, also we can see the 12-hour trend for the weather, I guess, and also the humidity maybe. Yeah, okay. And then also we can see our air quality index, not sure why it's not showing for me, or the dew point, and also UV index as well. Then also on this watch we get this sunrise and sunset as well. If we enter this, as you see, for today, we can also see, and for the past days as well. Can we go further? So yep, also for the next days you can see this date. So actually kind of cool. And also if we go even further, you can also see for the moon as well. So you can see for the next days as well here. Okay, so yeah, it actually looks like pretty cool. Also on the watch face itself, also we can add the weather. You can see it shows me the temperature, and also this, yeah, basically conditions. I think we can even customize it even a bit further. So overall, yep, the weather is actually like really cool on the Instinct 3. Anyway, good luck.